Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Hope you're all doing really well today. Today I have a 16 by 20 staple backed canvas and I'm going to do a puddle pour on it, but I am going to use some chains that I've just purchased and drag them through the puddle pours after I tip my paint on the canvas. And I'm trying to do a challenge for myself. Instead of using several paints, I decided I'm going to use 3 paints plus white. So let's go over my colors. I have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I have Grumbacher Prussian Blue. I made up a wine color, and I will show you the consistency right away. It does leave a little mound, but disappears pretty fast. And my last color is a combination of FolkArt, Silver Sterling, and the DecoArt Extreme Sheen. And to all the paints except the silver, I did add a tablespoon of Vallejo Pearl Medium, so we would have a little bit shinier paint on the canvas today. Pouring medium, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, a squirt of GAC 800 added to all the paints, and I did thin some of the paints to get good consistency with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture. I have put down a thin layer of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White to help the paint move. So let's get started. And I'm just going to make puddles all over the canvas. If you've watched prior videos, you've seen me do this before. I just thought it would be a good challenge to try and simplify and use fewer colors. See what I could do with it. I taught my first art class a couple nights ago, and some of the ladies did choose this type of acrylic pouring to do, and they turned out very well. Matter of fact, all the paintings turned out so beautiful that night, and we had a lot of fun. I did not add any silicone to this paint today. If I get cells, that's okay, but that's not really what I'm going for. I wanted to practice a little more using the chains that I purchased, just running them through the paint and see what kind of effect we get with that. I had mentioned too in a few videos ago about the couple of the projects that I've been working on as gifts. One of them being jewelry boxes. And I have painted the tops of these jewelry boxes. Now I'm letting that dry and I'm going to resin them. And then I'm going to gel stain the sides of the jewelry boxes and probably put felt on the inside. So when I get them all finished, I will show you the finished product. And also I mentioned that I bought a clock kit at a local Target store. And I've also painted the top of that clock. And again, waiting for it to dry so I can resin it. And when I get that all finished, and I'll probably stain the sides of that clock. Again, I'll show you the finished product. I'm always on the lookout for little projects that aren't real costly, that can be given as gifts. And now, like I've mentioned before, when my paints start getting a little lower, I start looking for where's my empty spaces and where do I need to add a little paint to get it to move around on the canvas. If I have negative space, that's okay, but I really don't think I will today. And I think I'm going to try and make this challenge for the next couple of videos for myself. 3 colors plus white, or maybe 3 colors plus black, just to see what I can come up with. Got a little bit of blue left here. I really like using the Vallejo Pearl Medium with paints. It gives it that it gives them that metallic look. So instead of having to buy the metallic paints, you can buy any color and just add a tablespoon or so of that Vallejo Pearl Medium to your paint and get that same effect. Okay, just about finished here. I think I have plenty of paint on my canvas to do some tipping. First I'll do some torching and then I'll tip it. Okay. I'll try and mix it up here a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna check my corners here, and sides. They look pretty good. Okay, and now I'll start with one of my chains. This is the chain I've used before, so I'll just start with this. Just running it through here. Okay, now I might try a little smaller chain just to see if I get any different effect. I'm trying to pull it up a little bit to get a really light drag on it. check it out now. See if I want to do a little more. And go back to my larger chain. Just a few areas here. Okay, I really like the result of this. And I'll torch one more time. Clean the bottom off. And check the sides while I'm at it. In the corners. Again, I really like this painting. There's a lot of depth to it. It's almost like 3D. You can see down into it. And I'll get you down for a close-up now. Okay, I have the upper left-hand corner. And the lower left-hand corner. This is up the middle. The upper right-hand corner. And that's pretty nice in there. And the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. It helps placement of our channel. And until next time. And don't forget to ring the bell. Choose all so you'll be notified the next time I do post a new video. And until next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.